Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade spicy pickles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of crisp, small cucumbers, perfect for pickling. For that signature heat, grab 4 to 5 fresh habanero or serrano peppers, depending on your spice preference. Don't forget 3 cups each of white vinegar and water, which will form the base of our delicious brine. We'll also need some pickling salt and spices. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time for preparation. Thoroughly wash and trim the ends of your cucumbers, then slice them into your preferred shape, whether spears or rounds. Next, carefully slice your chosen peppers into thin rounds. Remember to wear gloves if handling very hot peppers. Finally, sterilize your pint-sized canning jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes, ensuring a safe and clean pickling process. This step is crucial for proper preservation. With your produce prepped, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 3 cups of white vinegar, 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, stirring until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. While the brine heats, tightly pack your cucumber slices and pepper rounds into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Add any additional spices like dill or garlic now. Once your jars are packed, carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged and leaving a 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean, center the lids, and apply the bands finger-tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 15 minutes to create a proper seal. Let them cool, then store them in a cool, dark place. Your delicious spicy pickles will be ready to enjoy in about 2 weeks. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.